All right, so now let's talk about Pythagorean triples. So a Pythagorean triple consists of three positive integers, a, b, and c, such that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're still using this formula to figure this out. The big thing is that these are integers where we can commonly write them, and one of the most common ones that you're going to see is 3, 4, 5. And so if we look at it, 3 squared plus 4 squared has to be equal to 5 squared based on this idea. And so it's 9 plus 16. Well, that does equal 25. So that's what we would call a Pythagorean triple. Some other common ones, and I would suggest that you go ahead and take a look at them, but some other common ones would be like 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15, and you can keep going with this, and hopefully you're realizing that it's just the 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by 3. So that can keep going on forever. But another couple sets that we could do is we could do a 5, 12, 13. We could do 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17. And remember, you don't need to memorize all of these. These are just some examples, but you can always figure it out using that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But these are what's called Pythagorean triples.